In today's health-conscious world, finding a juicer that combines efficiency, nutrition retention, and ease of use is essential. This JoyBear Cold Press Juicer emerges as a compelling option, offering a blend of innovative features designed to enhance the juicing experience. From its generous feed chute to its robust construction and focus on preserving nutrients, this juicer promises to elevate your daily intake of fresh, homemade juice. The JoyBear Cold Press Juicer impresses from the outset with its thoughtful design and sturdy build. At the heart of its design is a substantial 4.3-inch extra-large feed chute, a standout feature that allows whole fruits and vegetables to be juiced without the need for pre-cutting. This not only saves time but also preserves the integrity of the ingredients, ensuring maximum freshness in every glass. Built to withstand the rigors of daily use, the juicer features an upgraded spiral auger. This auger is engineered to mimic the gentle yet effective squeezing action of hand pressing, capable of handling a wide range of fruits and vegetables with ease. Its durability is underscored by its abrasion and corrosion resistance, promising longevity and consistent performance over time. What sets the JoyBear Cold Press Juicer apart is its dedication to preserving the natural taste and nutritional benefits of fresh produce. Utilizing a slow masticating process, the juicer operates at low speeds to minimize heat buildup and oxidation, factors known to compromise the quality of juice. This results in juice that retains vibrant colors, natural flavors, and crucial nutrients like enzymes and vitamins, promoting optimal health with every sip. The juicer's efficiency shines through in its high juice yield, making it ideal for batch juicing or preparing large quantities of juice in one session. Whether you're juicing fibrous vegetables, leafy greens, or juicy fruits, the JoyBear Juicer consistently delivers a satisfying yield, ensuring you get the most out of every ingredient. User convenience is a cornerstone of the JoyBear Cold Press Juicer's design philosophy. Featuring a simple one-piece assembly, the juicer is easy to set up and disassemble for cleaning. Cleaning is a straightforward process, requiring just 5 minutes with the included cleaning brush to ensure all components are thoroughly cleaned, particularly the juicing bowl where residues can accumulate. Safety is prioritized with a lid sensor that prevents the juicer from operating when the feed chute is open, providing peace of mind, especially in households with children. Additionally, its anti-blockage reverse function allows for uninterrupted juicing. Should a blockage occur, simply activate the reverse button to clear the obstruction and resume juicing effortlessly. Conscious of health and environmental impact, the JoyBear Cold Press Juicer is constructed from BPA-free materials. This commitment ensures that the juice produced is free from harmful chemicals, allowing you to enjoy the pure, unadulterated taste of your favorite fruits and vegetables with confidence. By choosing a BPA-free juicer, you not only safeguard your health, but also contribute to a more sustainable lifestyle. In conclusion, the JoyBear Cold Press Juicer excels in delivering a superior juicing experience characterized by efficiency, nutrient retention, and ease of use. Whether you're embarking on a journey to improve your health or simply seeking a convenient way to enjoy fresh juice at home, this juicer stands out as a reliable companion. Its spacious feed chute, robust construction, and dedication to preserving nutritional integrity make it a standout choice among discerning consumers. Investing in the JoyBear Cold Press Juicer means investing in quality, health, and the pleasure of enjoying freshly squeezed juice that nourishes both body and soul. Embrace the joy of juicing with the JoyBear Cold Press Juicer and discover firsthand how it can transform your daily wellness routine. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more in-depth reviews.